Hello, this is Casey, product expert with Troy-Bilt. If you're having trouble starting your mower, I'm here to help identify some common causes and ways to troubleshoot them to get your mower working properly.
Potential reasons for your mower not starting are fuel-related issues, improper engine operation, spark plug issues, a disengaged parking brake, or engaged blades. Your mower may have a service monitor which could indicate a specific area of the mower that needs attention. For example, oil, battery, or air filter. It may sound simple, but if your mower will not start, try turning off the mower blades or PTO, set the brake, and try starting it again. The parking brake must always be fully engaged when starting. Next, check the fuel level in the tank and be sure to always use fresh fuel if the tank is low. Many issues with small engines stem from stale fuel. You may need to replace the fuel filter as it may be blocked. Next, make sure the engine is choked. If the engine still does not start, check the oil level. If it is low or empty, it could be a sign of internal engine damage. If this is the case, contact an authorized service center. You should also check the air filter. If it's dirty, replace the filter with a new one to provide better airflow through the engine. If the engine still does not start, check the spark plug. The various colors of the plugs will typically indicate the root problems for a lawnmower that will not start. If problems persist, you'll need to see a local authorized servicing dealer.